Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today, I'll be swatching 3 nail paints by the brand BarryM, and they are Coral Reef, Mermaid Tail, and Dragonfish. These 3 are from their Under the Sea nail paints. Before swatching these nail polishes, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. In today's swatches, all of these 3 will be swatched with a layer of white nail polish underneath. This will make each shade more vibrant. Let's try the shade Coral Reef first. Now for the second coat. Coral Reef is super shiny and it has that pearlescent effect. I'm really loving its gorgeous coral shade. Next we have is Mermaid Tail. And now for Mermaid Tail's second coat. This shade reminds me of Ariel's tail from the Disney movie, The Little Mermaid. Loving how sparkly it gets when the light shines on it. Then lastly we have is Dragonfish. And now for the second coat of Dragonfish. Dragonfish has a pearlescent purple shade with a green-like shimmer. If you're looking for a nail polish that has a pearlescent finish, look no further because this is it. Loving the style of their brushes. It's flat, rounded edge, and they're my favorite when it comes to nail polishes. Bought these 3 nail paints at BarryM on Shopee. By the way, it dries super fast, super shiny, and very sparkly. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!